Chamber brake here. Doing some poor visibility, farming in the rain. It's a late spring here. I am field cultivating. Second time around. The first time you cut the chisel ground from the fall, basically disturbs the soil, digs it up deep to bring up compaction. And then in the spring you come through and you break it down with the field cultivator, and then we are using the field cultivator a second time and spraying in between. Running about 10.5, 11 mile an hour, which is kind of nice. Actually, the speed is what you're using to break up the soil, the rolling basket, and the irrigator, which are big teeth that point downward in clods in the soil. But my visibility is extremely poor. Going down the road as I'm using it, you can't see anything. And the windshield wipers never work very good in tractors regardless. But we're getting it done just underneath the top crust. It's a little bit wet, but then it's dusty behind me. So that's what we need to do, and that's what we keep doing. Just want to give you a quick video. Farming in the rain with poor visibility. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Enjoy. Forward forever. Backward never.